Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make scroll on Figma. First, ensure your content extends beyond the frame boundaries you intend to scroll. This extra content is crucial for the scrolling effect to work correctly. Next, select the frame that contains your overflowing content. This frame will act as your viewport, defining the visible area. We'll cover both vertical and horizontal scrolling options. To set up vertical scrolling, select the frame that holds all your content. This frame should be shorter than the total height of the content inside it. In the Design panel on the right, locate the Overflow Scrolling section. Choose Vertical Scrolling from the drop-down menu. This action tells Figma to enable vertical movement within that specific frame, allowing users to scroll through your design. For horizontal scrolling, first group the elements you want to scroll side to side into a single frame. Make sure this inner frame's width is greater than the outer frame's width. Select the outer frame, then navigate to the Overflow Scrolling options in the Design panel. This time, select Horizontal Scrolling. This will allow users to swipe or drag horizontally to view all the content within that frame. You can combine both vertical and horizontal scrolling within nested frames for more complex designs, like a dashboard with scrollable sections. Also, consider using fixed elements, such as headers or footers, within your scrollable frames to keep them visible while the content moves. This adds a professional touch to your prototypes. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.